Okay, different video. I am gonna be opening PR today. PR slash like TikTok shop sending me stuff. So we're gonna do that. If you are interested in the makeup that I'm wearing right now, I just did a get ready with me talking, showing, doing video. What am I doing? I just did that, so I probably am gonna post it before this video here, so go watch that. First, I'm gonna show something that I hate, and they actually wanted me to do a video on, and I just couldn't. I actually ran out of time. They gave me like a 2-week time frame to film it, but I hated it so much that I forgot to like respond to them. I got a sample to try. It's the Jo Malone London English Pear and Freesia cologne perfume. This smells like I just walked into like a bougie luxury shop and I just like sniffed a freaking old millionaire. It smells disgusting, and like now I can say it because they don't give a shit about me anymore. This perfume smells like dog shit. No, it doesn't smell like dog shit. It really just smells like a rich old lady that I want nothing to do with. Don't buy this perfume. I mean, if you want to smell like your aunt, like your old rich aunt, sure, you should buy this. Second thing I got was from That Drip though. They sell jewelry on here on TikTok. Let's open this. And they sent me a little chain. I actually think I just saw a message from them saying that they sent me another one. But this is it. It comes out of the package. Oh, it comes with a key. Do you lock it? So it comes with this, and then it's like a cute little locket. Right, I just had to figure it out off of camera, but you use the little key and it unlocks the little locket, and then you put the chain through the heart, and I think they have like different styles. I think you put it through and then you close it up again. I think it's like a sexy necklace, but it's like kind of cute though if like you're like into like the alt stuff and you wear like tech wear. I feel like that's really cute. You could probably even put this as a belt. That would be really cute. Or like attach it to your pants. That would be really, really cute. Maybe do something like that. I got a package from Better Alt. Pretty packaging, actually. Really nice packaging. So I was like reading the pamphlets that they sent me, and it's like, it's Shilajit. Sounds bad, but Shilajit? Ayurveda. I love how one of the facts is like, it tastes bad. In case you haven't heard yet. You have to put it in stuff, I guess, like mix it with like peanut butter or nut butter, put it in your energy balls, or put it in salad dressing. Easiest way is mixing it with warm milk and honey. I'm kind of nervous. He sent me the Himalayan Shilajit. Take pea-sized amount, blend with warm water, milk. It's a natural substance found in the peaks of the Himalayas. Sea moss, ashwagandha, black seed, and black pepper. It's a supplement. It looks like there's good stuff in here, and I heard sea moss is like really good for you, and it's non-GMO, gluten-free, preservative-free. I'll try this and let you guys know how it is. It's like this tiny little jar and like a little scooper thing. Okay. Okay, so that's like a pea-sized amount. Mixing some almond milk. Am I doing this right? I've been mixing it for a while. It's like, I don't know if it's, well, I mixed like half of it, but it's hard to mix it because the milk is cold. So I don't know. I don't know. With the almond milk, it's not that bad. And they said it tastes bad. So, like, I can tolerate this. I don't know, but it doesn't taste that bad. I can tolerate this. I'll give it a try. And if you guys want to see more PR opening, or if any brands see this and want to send me PR, try your products and then get ready with me, talk about them, try them, or any TikTok shop companies want me to try their stuff, just send me a DM or send me a collaborative invite, and yeah, see you next time. This was kind of fun.